When we look at the leaderboard of the pollution, we will find the plastic pollution at the top. I'll show some of the pictures of the plastic that you might be familiar with. You can see all these plastics you might be familiar with. Because of these plastics, nowadays life is almost impossible. After being used, how they are being managed is a concern. You can see in the rivers, in the beaches, these plastic wrappers, even they are not being properly managed. So look at these rivers. I don't know. I know. Like actually, I don't know what is whether it is river or lake or anything else. But looking at this environment, you can say how badly impacted these water bodies are from different kinds of waste. Not only the plastic, but also different kinds of waste. And these children are taking bath on that, and they can have several kind of diseases. Maybe it's communicable diseases too. It's completely flooded with the plastics. So where these plastics are coming from? It's all coming from our daily uses plastics. So let's figure it out. What happens actually when the plastic remains in the ground for the longer times? Okay, maybe like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. It goes under degradation. Like there will be like UV radiation, and then there'll be some mechanical forces. There'll be change in the temperature. So many, because of so many reasons, they'll be broken down into smaller pieces. As it remains for the longer time in the ground, it will be broken down into more smaller pieces. That means we see it like the microplastics and nanoplastics. And as the aerosols, as the time is increasing, these plastics are getting broken into more and more smaller pieces. Depicts that there are so many of micro and nanoplastics, and they are getting into water bodies, even they are getting into the air, and they are remaining in the ground. Even if air looks fresh, then there might be presence of nano and microplastics. We get into our bodies when we inhale it. They can penetrate the cells inside our bodies and get into different parts of the bodies. There have been several studies stating this micro and nanoplastic getting into the several part of our bodies, sharing any kind of data. Also, there have been several studies regarding the presence of microplastics in soil, water, and airs. Okay, there are some guys, some people, they are doing some very amazing work collecting the waste. So I will request everyone to dispose in the proper dustbin, the respected dustbin that will help us to keep the environment clean.